today I have a thrift haul. I've been thrifting a lot in the past few months and I've accumulated a lot of things, so I thought I would just share them with you today. Some of these items I bought from Depop, some from markets, and mostly from the thrift stores. So let's get started. The first thing is a slip dress that I made a video on. If you haven't seen it, it will be up here. But this is just a navy blue slip dress that I got from the thrift store for I think $4. I love it. It was originally from factory. I don't normally shop at factory, but if it's from the thrift store, might as well. And I love it because it's so lightweight, and I think it's like perfect for the summer, and going into winter it's good for layering. And I actually styled this in a video, and if you haven't seen it, it will be up here. Now this is another great find. This is another slip dress that I got I think for $1 or something. I forgot where I got this from, but this was originally from Marks and Spencer. Cheetah print is really in right now, but slip dresses that have this kind of print are really expensive. But I think I got this for $2, I think. I can't wait to style this and wear it to uni, maybe like layer a jumper under it or a jacket. But yeah, I love it. The print is so pretty and I can't wait to wear it. The next thing is something that I got from a market, like a secondhand market that my boyfriend and I went to yesterday. It was called Slow Saturdays. It was my first time going, but I wanted to go because I wanted to see what it's like, because you can go and sell your own clothes if you pay a fee, and you can have your own stall. It was so nice, and I was thinking of actually doing it next year, selling my clothes and having a stall. I thought that would be really fun, but I did grab a few things. The first thing is this black turtleneck top, originally from Zara. The weather is getting colder now. It's officially autumn in New Zealand. Summer is done, so I am stacking up on jumpers. This is a classic one. This is just a normal knit top turtleneck. I can't wait to wear this under dresses or just use it for layering. But yeah, I think I got this for $7. The next item is a pair of high-waisted denim pants that I got from the thrift store for I think $4. This was originally from Glassons. The fit is so nice and it fits me so well, and yeah, I just need a lot of jeans in my closet because I only own like 2 pairs, and yeah, so I'm stacking up on high-waisted jeans. I only wear high-waisted jeans because I'm quite short, and high-waisted jeans makes me look taller than I actually am. So yeah, I love high-waisted jeans. The next thing is this top from Depop. It's this peasant top with frills and like wide sleeves with ruffles at the front that you can tie up, so it's like a crop top. I got this from Depop. I shop quite often on Depop. If you guys haven't seen my Depop, it's right here. I sell a lot of my clothes, at least 100 items. I got this for $15. It was a trade. She wanted something off of my shop and I wanted something from her shop, so we just did a trade. I got another pair of high-waisted jeans from the thrift store. I think I got this for $1. It fits quite nicely. It's a bit flary at the bottom, which I like, but I love how it's high-waisted, and the wash is like this dark blue wash, which I don't have in my wardrobe. But yeah, it was a steal because it was only $1, and I can't wait to pair this with crop tops or jackets in the winter. This next top is also a top that I got from the Slow Saturdays market. This is a Huffer shirt. I thought it would be really good for the autumn season because it's white and it's quite lightweight, but it's enough to keep me warm in lecture rooms. As you guys know, I love Huffer. If you've watched my past videos, my recent videos, you know that I love Huffer, but it's a really expensive brand, and I got this for $10. It's like this handwritten Huffer logo at the front, and I thought it would just be really nice as a layering top, and yeah, I love Huffer. This next jumper I got from the thrift store for I think $1. Yeah, I also got this for $1. It was originally from H&M, and it's just this oversized knit jumper that's kind of grayish green. I don't know how to describe it, but I love it. It pairs so nicely with the next pair of pants that I also got from the thrift store for $1. These two pair so nicely, and I will actually wear it to uni when it starts getting colder. But I love this combination. It's so light and flowy and just really nice, and I love how this one is oversized because I don't own any oversized jumper, but it just adds a little bit of style into an outfit, so I love this. This shirt is also a shirt that I got from the Slow Saturdays market. This is a pretty cool find. This is like a vintage logo tee that says Indian hemp old time quality Tennessee non-filtered cannabis. I got this from a lady and she looked pretty high, but this was $10. But yeah, she was selling a lot of like stuff like this. You could tell she was a bit high when she was selling because I gave her 20 bucks and this was $10. It took her a while to figure out how much she would give me as change, but she got there in the end. But yeah, I like this. I don't wear a lot of logo tee, like printed tees, and yeah, I'm excited to pair this with jeans, high-waisted jeans and skirts. The last thing is a skirt that I got from the thrift store. This is originally from Kukai, and I think Kukai, I don't know how to say it, but it's a really expensive brand. I think it's a New Zealand and Australian brand, but I got this for $2. It's just a simple black skirt, mini skirt, that I am really excited about because I don't own a lot of skirts, and yeah, I feel like this would be really easy to style, and the fact that I only got it for $2 when the actual price is like what, 50 bucks, it's a great steal. So that was everything that I've thrifted. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I cannot wait to wear these outfits to uni, but yeah, thank you guys for watching.